A consumer alert right now at 5. Even as people in the path of Hurricane Florence are still in the midst of disaster, a warning about the flood of cars that could soon saturate car lots around the country. Consumer reporter Marilyn Moritz says if you're buying a used car soon, there is reason to be careful and be sure to use your nose.
Even before Florence's floodwaters recede, warnings that a wave of waterlogged cars could soon hit the market. Selling a flood-damaged car without disclosure is illegal in Texas and most states, but the FTC warns some cars and their titles are cleaned up, taken out of state, and sold to unsuspecting buyers. So buyer be vigilant, especially in the coming weeks and months. Experts say it's best to have a qualified mechanic do an inspection. But before that, there are some things you can look for, like fogging inside the taillights. Consumer Reports auto experts say use your nose.
First thing you want to do is come over to the front of the car. Inhale and see if there's any kind of moldy or musty smell. If you have that, you definitely want to walk away from the car. Next, pop up the trim panel on the side of the door here. If the carpet is dirty or if there's any kind of sediment in here or rust, pop off some of the caps and covers for the seat bolts. If these are scratched up or even look rusted, that means the seat was taken out so it can air dry. Look where a spare tire would be kept. If it's got sound deadening, smell if it's musty or moldy smelling. See if there's any rust on exposed screws, on the panels, or even on the tools like the jack or the jack stand.
Also, get a vehicle history report from companies like Carfax or AutoCheck. The National Insurance Crime Bureau has a free database, but is only helpful if the car was insured. Water can ruin a car's electronics and mechanical system, so even though it's clean on the outside, it can be trouble down the road. Marilyn Moritz, KSAT 12 News.